Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. For today's video, ayan, magta-try on haul tayo ng aking bagong binili na swimwear. Because tomorrow, we're going to Boracay. Charot. So ayan guys, I have two swimwear that I need to fit today. So ayan, yan ito-try on haul natin ngayon. So, ayan yung kanyang lower part, shorts. Ayan. Sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, ayan, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So, ayan nga guys, ayan muna yung unang susukatin natin. Char! So, ayan na guys, ito na tayo. Ayan, ayan na yung ating sinukat na swimwear. So, ayan, ready na tayo swimming in Boracay. So, guys, akala ko guys, maliit lang siya. Kasya pala sa akin, malaya yung aking katawan. Char! So, ayan, ayan, ang ganda ng fit in. So, yeah.
Wow, if you come and look in here, wow. You want to finish?
Yeah.
My passport?